Hello and welcome to a very wet Newcastle upon Tyne. It really is a horrendous day today. It's been raining non-stop for the past 12 hours. Over several September weekends, the railway is closed between Newcastle and Edinburgh for engineering work. This means there are diversions and rail replacement buses. Train 1 Sierra 04 will be travelling via the Tyne Valley Line and Carlisle to get to Edinburgh. Train 1 Echo 07 began its journey at Edinburgh and has travelled via Carlisle and the Tyne Valley Line to get to Newcastle. At the eastern end of the station, on platform 1, a very special northern train service is awaiting departure. Train 2 Golf 01 is the special northern train service that I mentioned earlier. It's about to convey passengers from Newcastle to Heaton Depot for an open day. Thanks ever so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. You'll find plenty more railway content on my channel.